ang harap.
Nice. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready to be my husband? Stan, soon to be my husband. Nasa isip ko na yung mga gusto kong sabihin talaga. Parang naano ko na siya sa top ko pala. Pagdating pala dito, hindi ko din pala siya parang
Express.
Eyes closed, but the floor is warning.
Janelle, my best friend, my lover, my partner in crime, and now my soon-to-be wife. I love how kind and understanding you are, how much you give 100% effort in your field of expertise.
Wood and stone, all our own, more than these painted homes. Hold it close. Feels like home to me.
Before, ang priority ko is work, family, ganyan. Ngayon na magiging Sabado na ako, you will be my priority in our future. Yan yung mapapromise ko sa'yo na ikaw na yung magiging priority ko and our family.
There's a piece of every memory, and every photo, every sound. It's not just home.
I love how much you take care of me that now I automatically adjust to not look for things I can easily find on my own when I am not with you, to become fully capable of navigating things when I am with you. Love, nasa yung watch ko. Love, nasa yung uniform ko. Love, pabot naman ang eyeglass ko. Love, nasa ang cellphone ko. Now I have come to realize how you render me helpless in a good way.
Kasi alam mo naman yung line of work ko. So, you'll find out every emergencies and na kailangan kong gawin, every overtime, andyan ka. Naiintindihan mo.
You completely made me recognize that my life will not be complete without. Buti na lang pala nabanggit ni Sir Diggs yung word na snob. Buti na lang nag-react ako agad to message you that very day na nabanggit yun. I can't imagine that 4-letter word would turn into another 4-letter word, which is love. And that 4-letter word will now start its journey to forever.
Never ka nag-complain sa night kahit na nag-antay ka. So, nakakaroon pa din. I love you. I love you. Goal to mag-kiss now.
Feels like home to me. Feels like home to me. Feels like home to me.
Janelle, you are now not just a partner. You are now much more than that. You will be the first thought to come in mind every time I will wake up, and the last thought before I sleep. Kahit ako hindi kaputian, ako na ang soya milk sa caramel macchiato mo forever. I love you.
I love you.
I got plenty for down, plenty peace of mind. I got it, your love brought it. I got a house, got a home, little meat left on my bones.
that never healed to the heart that never beats. Cheers for our growth.
Marriage is God calling you to unite. God calls you to become one because you want to love God, to worship the Lord, be faithful to Him, being faithful to one another.
Don't lean pressed against your railing.
Janelle, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
I do, Father.
Dawning,
Kristen, do you take Janelle here present for her lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do, Father.
all I ever wanted, skin against my own skin, playing cat in
Love, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
all I ever wanted, and inside my
Love, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Always see to it that God is the center of your family now. Love one another as Christ loves His church. Kristen, you may now kiss your wife.